This dish is Provençal style chicken cassoulet. Cassoulet is all about using a cheap cut of meat. So I choose to use chicken leg, poach it in no chicken bouillon, about 20 minutes, then remove it from the liquid, leave the chicken to rest it. You sweat down your onion, add the no garlic paste to caramelize with the onions, then add all the vegetables, add your poaching liquor, slowly simmer it off till all the vegetables cook. Add the chickpeas to lighten up the dishes. Then you add the chicken thigh and the drumstick. Put in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes and remove the chicken itself and then remove the bone. Add the chorizo. Then you finish it with the vegetable and the sauce with capers and olives. The capers and olives bring the nice acidity into the dish. Put together is all the vegetables on a plate, chicken thigh, chicken drumstick, and finish it with the chicken bouillon sauce. Delicious.